No.
Welcome to the Amazon Relay LSP Driver App Training. This course will provide you with the steps on how to download the Amazon Relay app and retrieve the barcode for access to Amazon's facilities. This course is designed to comply with Section 508 standards. It contains a transcript option within the course, and you can receive a copy of the transcript from your Amazon representative. You will receive an email inviting you to download the app. Open the email invite on your mobile phone. You will have 3 days to download and onboard onto the app. Based on the mobile phone operating system, you will be prompted to download the iOS or Android version of the app. Click on Launch the app. If you are using an iOS device, download the Amazon Relay app from the App Store. If you are using an Android device, download the Amazon Relay app from the Google Play Store. Open the Amazon Relay app on your phone. On the home page, click on the hamburger menu in the top left corner. Select Sign In from the bottom left corner of your screen. In the next screen, select Get Started. Existing users should use their ATSD app account to sign in to the app. This will migrate existing loads and trips to the Relay app. New users should create a fresh login. Enter the 7-digit code you received in the invite email into the invite code box. Then select Submit to complete account creation. As a one-time activity, you will be asked to create your profile. Click Next. You will be asked to provide some more details about your work profile. Click Save once you are done. After you have completed your account setup and profile creation, you will be able to see trips assigned to you. To view your other assigned trips, click on the Calendar menu in the top right corner. You will be able to see a list of your assigned trips. You can select the trip you want to work on. Select Begin Work to start your trip. Enter your tractor license plate information to register for your visit. This will provide you with a gate pass to access Amazon facilities. Click Confirm once you are done. In the next screen, you will see information about where and when to go to execute your work. Upon arrival at the facility, you should indicate your arrival by swiping across the bottom of the screen. After arrival at the facility, you should show the gate pass to the gate associate for check-in. Once you are done with check-in, you can swipe away the gate pass to move to the next screen. In-app guidance will be provided about the location of the trailers that need to be picked up or dropped off. If you swiped away your gate pass by mistake in the previous screen, you can retrieve your gate pass by clicking on the barcode icon in the top right corner. If you are picking up a trailer, you will receive in-app guidance about the trailer's location. You will have to scan the trailer barcode sticker to verify you are picking up the right trailer. After scanning, you will receive a positive confirmation if you have picked up the right trailer. If you are facing issues with scanning, you can access the Help menu by clicking on the question mark icon at the top right. In the next screen, you will see a list of issues. You can select the relevant issue. If you are dropping off a trailer, you will receive in-app guidance about the drop-off location. After dropping off the trailer, click the Drop Off Trailer button to indicate completion of the task. You will receive a positive confirmation that the trailer has been dropped off. Once all your work is complete, you can check out of the facility by showing the gate pass to the gate associate. Once you have checked out, you can swipe away the gate pass to indicate your departure. Congratulations! You have completed the Amazon Relay LSP driver training. Please reach out to your Amazon representative if you have any questions.